Hello and hi everyone. We are from Alam Shah Science School and today we are going to talk about something seriously cool.
Yo, Zarfan! How's your day? I'm kinda facing a problem right now. I'm kinda lost in this one topic in geography. It's about Fort Block Mountain. Really? Can you explain it to me about it?
Fault Block Mountain. Now, when you hear mountain, you might think of volcanoes or giant-folded layer of rock like the Himalayas. But fault block mountains are different. These mountains not from eruption or folding, but from powerful forces pulling the earth crust apart.
As you can see, this is an example of a flat surface before it becomes a mountain. You might be wondering, how can a flat surface turn into a mountain? So, I will be explaining how fault block mountains are formed. Fault block mountains are formed due to tectonic forces deep within the earth. This can cause the crust to crack and break apart. When the crust is stretched, the fractures form normal faults. These movements create large blocks of the earth crust, creating a graben and two horsts. Let's start with the graben. Graben is a block of crust that has dropped between two faults. It formed because the crust is being pulled apart due to tensional force. As the two faults stretch, the middle block sinks down, creating a depression or a valley. On either side of the graben, we have the horsts. There are the blocks of crust that have risen due to movement along the faults. The forces here are still tensional, but rather than sinking, these blocks are uplifted. As a result, the horsts become the height regions on either side of the graben. To sum up, imagine these two pistons as tensional forces. On the right side, the tensional force will uplift block, creating the horst, while on the left hand side, the tensional force will be pulled down.
So, why do these mountains matter? Well, their shape or landscape affect weather patterns and even determine where people live. Some of these ranges also contain important natural resources like minerals and fresh water. In conclusion, fault block mountains are formed when tectonic forces pull the Earth's crust apart, breaking it into larger parts that shift up and down along faults. This results in tall mountains next to deep valleys, creating the dramatic scenery we see in many parts of the world today. Thanks for listening. We hope you've learned something epic about the powerful forces shaping our planet.
From desire.